Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Brenda here, and if at all you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. You can like, you can share, and also do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you get notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me, guys, and just know that I love you so much. So I'm back with another exciting video, and today I want to show you how our fish nets are dried and also how they are being repaired at the lakeside. So guys, those ones who have been looking for such kind of a video, this video is yours, so stay tuned, guys. So have a look at this. You know, the reason why the fish nets should be dried is because, number one, you know, there are always some rods that are attached to this to the nets, and when they are so much, when they are soaked in water so much, the rods decay, and so the fishing nets can be easily be swayed by wind when they have already been taken to the lake. So this is one of the main reasons why these nets are being dried. And the second of all is that when these nets are dried, those ones who are doing repair, they are able to see the places where they are supposed to do their repairs, guys. So look at this. Today was a drying day for our fishermen, and here our women are very busy. As you can see, guys, women are very busy making their today's bread. Okay, so they have to come to the shores of the lake and do some repair. So at the end of the day, they have to leave they have to go home with something so that it can sustain them. So it is not only for our women, guys, even for the men. Anybody is allowed to do this kind of work, guys. So this also, it's just a source of employment for our people at the lakeside, guys. So one thing that I can say, that here at the lakeside, you know, people don't value their profession so much. You have to learn these small jobs, yeah, because you never know in this world. Okay, you never know, because what if one day you decide to venture into this business of fishing? You have to know how to sew these nets. You have to know how to do repair and also how to dry them, guys. So you know, look at this, guys. Look at how they are being repaired. So they use white yarn and just a needle, guys, just to repair it, guys. Okay, because when they use it without repair and go with it to the lake, you find that trapping fish is not easy. They easily escape from the holes. So have a look at this, guys. Have a look at this. So have a look at that, guys. Yes, the women are so busy. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. So today was a busy day. Though it is a sunny day, you find that everyone is busy. Women and men are both busy, and you can see the beautiful view of the lake and some boats that have just docked. So look at that. So these nets are being dried in the daytime, and at night they go fishing, guys. So look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah, have a look at that. So it's very beautiful. Okay, so being at the lakeside is very beautiful, guys. So this is what we enjoy doing. Okay, and I enjoy bringing to you this video, guys. So look at our lifestyle. This is what happens. Yeah, and of course my people are very friendly. You know, not everybody accepts maybe to venture in these videos, and now because I'm one of them and they know me so well, that is why they accepted. So they thought that, you know, most of the people who come with videos like this, okay, they get to send these videos maybe in the European countries, and they lie so that they can get some money. But these women were so friendly, because one of them is my neighbor as well as my friend. So for me, I decided to help them out. So I didn't want to stand and just watch, and I decided to also join them in doing the job. Guys, look at that. And I told them, you know, instead of sitting at home, you can just come out here and do this. Yeah, so look at this, guys. I decided to do it alone. Look at that. So I really enjoyed doing it, and I really enjoyed being part of them. Yeah, because this is home. East west home is always the best. What your people do is always the best, guys. So I was so excited, and they allowed me to be part of them, and they allowed me to also do the repair. Look, and even she decided to help me out in just holding it up for me so that I could sew it real well. Although I was not that quick like they are, because you know they are professionals. You know, there's always a starting point. Yeah, there's always a starting point, guys. Yeah, so have a look at this. There's always a starting point. So these are jobs that you can just learn when you're at home. You don't need to go for training. You just look at what somebody does and you just follow. Yeah, so this is, I decided to do it. If I can do it perfectly. Yeah, so there, look at that, guys. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I decided to also join them, and it was very interesting. Yeah, so guys, I was trying to be perfect, but you know, being a first timer, you cannot be perfect. So you know, you just have to learn step by step for you to gain the perfection. But I was glad they let me do this, and at least I came out and I knew what I'm supposed to do next time that I come to help out, guys. So have a look at that. Have a look at that. Have a look at that, guys. Have a look at that. This is so beautiful. It was exciting, yeah? It was exciting. So my people are always so friendly. So look at the lady who let me do the work. She's also very excited that I joined them. Yeah, she's also very excited. Look, she's also very excited. So guys, I was sweating. It was a very sunny day, and I put on my sweater and I could not remove it because I was so busy. Yeah, I was so busy and I did not even mind on of my attire for the day. But that does not matter. What matters is what you do. Yeah.